What's your stat line gonna look like?
Oh, bro. Yeah, throw that up. Look. All right, man. Stat line? Yeah, I'm like, yeah. Stat line for the game? I'm thinking realistically, 38, 23, and 11. Actually, scratch that. 5 assists. I am passing that bitch. But optimistically, I'm thinking a 60 ball. That's it. But we'll see. We'll see what's going on. Locked in. You saw that. Noah. What's the stat line? Noah. He's scared in the moment, man. This nigga scared in the moment, dog. What's up, little boy? It's all right, though. It's all right. He's going to be posted up in the corner anyway. All he needs to do is have his hands ready in the shooter's pocket. Just have his hands ready in the shooter's pocket, and that's it. All right? I got to stretch. I got to get ready.
My stats, just knowing our team personnel, I'm going to have to put up, if we want to win the game, I'm going to have to put up 45. 45 assists is not going to be up there because look who I'm passing the ball to, you know? Alright, so that's if we win, but being realistic about our cardio level, man, I'm going to say I'll have like 17 in the first half and then die down from there, maybe finish with like 21, 22. So, for real.
Probably going to have a strong 8.
Yeah, and we lose by 7. Alright. Hey, this is my first game back in 3 years. Man, I haven't gone for a jog in 3 years, let alone.
You got to answer the phone when I call.
Yeah, that's
That sounded personal.
You want to be a point guard? You see what I'm talking about?
It sounded so personal.
You want to be a point guard, but he can't communicate.
Hey, who was the first one here?
Because you needed to warm up, man.
Peter, stat prediction.
Stat prediction.
Oh man, 150 points.
Damn, we're going to score 240 points today.
14 rebounds, 0 assists, all buckets. You heard?
When you get a chance, just look at the other teams and you can see the fear. They know who we are. We need to get as deep in our bag as we can. Yeah.
Hey, okay. Yeah, right. These guys are athletic.
Everyone can shoot threes in this team.
So everyone's linked, literally.
Best threes I've ever seen in this shit.
How you doing, bro? You alright?
Let's go that. 94 feet.
Come on, man. Missing 94 feet.
You gotta hydrate.
Replenish early, bro.
Crash.
Oh my god, these niggas are crazy. I should have stayed in the US. We good. Hey, we're fine. I started chirping, bro. Huh? One of them was like, good foul. Bet, man. Bet. Now, if we're going to have a chatty, talkative game, I have no problem with that at all. Seriously. You know, that's what actually gets me going. So I don't play for anything anymore. Except to get riled up. It's fine, man. I don't know about my back. I don't know about my
Hey.
So fucking gassed. Unbelievably unfit. Honestly astonishing how bad in shape I am. Like, it's just incredible, man. Went from an... Need a quick one. Yeah, I went from a fucking F1 car to a sedan. My city needs me. Couldn't grab a fucking board. I couldn't jump. I was so tired.
Hey.
It's like, bro, every time this nigga plate like dives me up, I'm like, bro, I could blow by you so fucking easy right now, but I'll lose my whole gas tank. You know, like every time I'm doing the post up and I'm like, dude, by the elbow, I'm now thinking about my gas tank. And I'm like, imagine if I go to the bucket. I'm like, it's crazy, bro. Game ball. Let me just have my mojo on it. No. That's how you get some games. Game ball. Yeah.
Bro, you look good out there. I don't want to fuck up the rhythm.
Like, what do you want from me? I'm like Michael, I take everything personal. I don't care. I don't care if this is a random local comp team that I've never played for in my life. I don't care. Wow. Wow. Big boy board? Yeah?
Outlet, okay.
I respect that. Oh, hey! Oh, you gotta finish. What the fuck? Oh my god, bro. That Jay fuck all his energy. Let's see.
Hey!
Wow. What a guy. What a guy, bro. I've never seen Jay pull out so many moves in one possession. And that was the end result.
Why he did a move to the dude after he did a move to the dude? He gave him an up fake, a mean up fake, make him jump, and then he went behind the back, behind him and around the other dude.
Right.
Then chase after it, got it back. I'm like, what is going on?
With the left behind the back.
Did you try to put it between his legs?
Yeah. I lost it.
That's what we really need to get on film, one of those. The J special.
That was my moment.
What's your energy level out of 10?
Honestly, I saw this coming, but I didn't think it'd be this bad, man.
What a $1 million move, 5-cent finish. Just edit that part out, bro. Fuck it.
Yeah, I'm putting the move in there.
You know when the ball's live when they're like,
Oh my mama. Oh my mama.
Oh wow, we almost beat him by 20.
yeah, man. And we're just throwing off. We really like that.
You know why? It's because they started a lot. It was like 14-3. Start the game.
You were like, what the fuck, bro? Hey, put your jersey in.
Neil, you taking the bag back?
It's a parade inside my city, yeah!
Korea has 33. Had to have.
Yeah, you're pretty close to the 60.
Do you feel like it was allowed? I don't know. Whatever I had, it was allowed. Whatever I had. That's all I know. You know, it might have not been 60, but god damn it, it looked like it. You know, 100%. It sure did feel like it. You know, it felt like it.
Anytime I try to make a move, like anytime I hit like the boost, accelerate, gas.
Yeah, I know.
Whole body, like whole body.
Bro, I was telling him like when I was getting posted up at the top, when they were trying to pressure me, I would just bump him off. As soon as I accelerate to the elbow, I'm thinking about gas. I'm gas, and I'm like, if I go to the rim, that's done. You know? It's just like,
That's what I heard.
yeah, it's definitely
Yeah, bro. I try to in and out crossover with gas.
nah. So hey, boys, you saw some of the duns. You were seeing some of the duns out there. You know what I mean? Like the vision's there, the heat's still on it. You know what I mean?
The guy named the play us, no justice, no justice. Obviously, you have a goal.
Best point guard in
I ain't gonna lie down, man. My back hurts.
That's edgy, right? Yeah, turn that off, bro. Don't disrespect us. What the? Oh, him, the guy.
Yes. Hold on. What is this? This is Edgefield Cow in a minute.
You said that's edgy.
Ready?
guard.
There was a stage in the game where I was like, I'm not getting enough touches. I thought we were all point guards.
Okay, this is the funny thing. This is the funny thing. As a point guard, you gotta know your personnel, right? I see you. I'm gonna shoot that bitch. I'm gonna do this. You know what? I trust myself more. That's what that was. You know what I mean? I saw him and I said, you know what, man? He can't even dribble by fucking Sir Reach a lot. You know, and he's getting locked up at the top.
Well, we can pull footage.
Yeah, okay. If me, and this is real life, if me and Jay weren't there, I don't think the score would have looked like it did.
It's a parade inside my city, yeah!